Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Genie. In today's video, we are going to create a geolocation API from scratch in Python. So this API will provide geocoding, that is converting the address to coordinates, reverse geocoding converting the coordinates to address, distance calculation. So these are the three methods which we are going to create here, and I am using Flask of Python. So for that, first we need to install Flask. So I am using in my file I am importing the Flask from the Flask package, and I am giving like storing 3 locations with 2 properties like latitude and longitude. So this is locations is to store the sample location data. So each location has a name or key and corresponding latitude and longitude. So name is the name of the city like New York, Los Angeles, Chicago. So after this, we can add any locations we wanted. For current example, I'm going to add only these 3. Now I'm going to add the geocode endpoint. So we define a endpoint slash geocode using the app route decorator. This endpoint it handles the get events for the geocoding. So it retrieves the address parameter from the query string using request.arguments.get address. So if the address exists in the location dictionary, it returns the address and the corresponding coordinates as JSON. If the address is not found or the address parameter is missing, it returns appropriate error response with the corresponding HTTP status code. So here the status code will be if it is a bad request or if the address parameter is missing, it will be 400, and if it is address not found, something not found, it will be 404. Now I am creating my another method. So this is reverse geocode endpoint. So I am creating another endpoint, reverse geocode for reverse geocoding. So it retrieves the latitude and longitude parameters from the query string, and it iterates through the location dictionary to find a match for the provided coordinates. And if the coordinates match a location, it returns the coordinates corresponding to the address as JSON. If the coordinates are not found for the latitude and longitude parameters are missing, then the corresponding error message will be returned. Now I'm creating another endpoint, calculate distance. So here it receives two latitudes and two longitudes as the request, and it calculate the distance using the Haversine formula. So the distance is calculated and returned in the distance parameter. If the if there is any issue in the request, it will return the appropriate error message. Then I am creating another method called Haversine, which uses the Haversine formula. So it takes in 4 parameters: latitude, longitude, latitude 2 and longitude 2, and we are using the Haversine formula to calculate the distance. If you like watching my video so far, please do consider subscribing to my channel if you are new here, or click on the bell icon so that you will receive all of my future videos. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up button and share this video with all your friends and family. Do comment what do you want to see in the next video. So once the coding is done, let us open the browser and see if our endpoints are working correctly. So the code is done. I'm saving the script provided in the Python code. Now opening the terminal or the command prompt and running the Python script. So I am opening my browser and typing the endpoint. So after that I am testing my code in Postman as well. So I am providing the requests and responses for the geolocation API and reverse geocoding API, and I'm getting the appropriate results. So in the next video, we will create an Angular front end for this API and test our code. Hope you have enjoyed watching my video so far. I will come with another exciting video soon. Till then, take care. Bye. We'll see in the next video soon. Happy coding.